Experiencing Optus Home Internet problems like no internet or frequent dropouts? Let's troubleshoot. First, check all physical cable connections to your NBN connection device, NCD, and your modem router. Make sure everything is securely plugged in. Next, restart both the NCD and the modem router. Power them off, wait 30 seconds, and power them back on, starting with the NCD. Use the My Optus app to verify your account status and check for known outages in your area. Wi-Fi interference can also cause dropouts, so try moving your router away from other electronic devices like microwaves and cordless phones. If dropouts persist, consider connecting your device directly to the router with an Ethernet cable to see if the problem is Wi-Fi related. Slow internet speeds got you down? Start by running a speed test using tools like Ookla Speed Test or the NBN Speed Checker to see what speeds you're actually getting. Clear your browser cache and run an anti-malware scan on your devices, as malware can consume bandwidth. Run an anti-malware scan on your devices, as malware can consume bandwidth. During peak hours, evenings, network congestion can cause slowdowns. Consider upgrading to a higher speed tier plan if this is a consistent issue. Check your data usage to ensure you haven't exceeded your data cap, which can result in throttling. For advanced users, quality of service (QoS) settings on your router can prioritize certain types of traffic. If all else fails, a factory reset of your modem router may help, but remember to back up your settings first. As a last resort, contact Optus support for assistance. The average resolution time is 24 to 48 hours. Remember, Optus recommends using their certified devices for best performance.